Hey guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you'll be learning about subject-verb agreement with the focus being on titles and names. Rule number 1. Even when plural in form, the title of a creative work, such as a book, song, movie, or painting, generally takes a singular verb. For example, Wide Sargasso Sea was written by the author Jean Rhys. Wide Sargasso Sea is one book, and for that reason, it takes the singular verb phrase was written. Another example. The Birds is a very scary story. The Birds is a singular subject because it is one story. And for that reason, it takes the singular verb is. Another example. Happy Days is a collage painting by Vance Grey. Happy Days refers to one work of art. Happy Days is a singular subject, and for that reason, it takes the singular verb is. Rule number 2. Even when plural in form, the name of a country, a city, or an organization generally takes a singular verb. For example, the Philippines encompasses more than 7,000 islands. Although the Philippines is plural in form, it always takes a singular verb. In this context, the singular verb it takes is encompasses. Another example. Is Grand Rapids smaller than Detroit? Although Grand Rapids is plural in form, it is a singular subject, and for that reason, it takes the singular verb is. Another example. Career Computers is having a sale on laptops. Although Career Computers is plural in form, it is a singular subject, and for that reason, it takes the singular verb phrase is having. Please note, the names of some organizations may take singular or plural verbs, depending on how the names are used. When the name refers to the organization as a unit, it takes a singular verb. When the name refers to the members of the organization, it takes a plural verb. For example, the U.S. Marines is a separate branch of the Department of the Navy. The U.S. Marines as a unit is a branch. The U.S. Marines is a singular subject and therefore takes the singular verb is. On the other hand, in this sentence, U.S. Marines are stationed all over the world. Troops are stationed. Marines in this context is plural in form. U.S. Marines, therefore, is a plural subject. Therefore, it takes the plural verb phrase are stationed. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out my other cool videos. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye.